Did you know that almost half of all small businesses fail within 5 years? Most people blame money, competition, or bad luck, but the real reason is often much simpler. Every business starts with a dream. You imagine being your own boss, making money, and enjoying the freedom to build something of your own. At first, everything feels exciting. Customers begin to arrive, sales start growing, and it seems like your hard work is finally paying off. But as the business grows, so do the responsibilities. Suddenly, you're answering emails, managing inventory, handling customer complaints, paying bills, and solving problems all by yourself. Instead of working on your dream, you spend every day putting out fires. Many business owners make one critical mistake. They believe no one can do the job as well as they can, so they refuse to delegate. They work longer hours, take on more responsibilities, and try to control every part of the business. Eventually, those long days turn into burnout. The passion that once inspired them slowly disappears, replaced by stress and exhaustion. The truth is, successful businesses aren't built by people who work the hardest. They're built by people who create systems. Systems allow work to be repeated the same way every time, no matter who is doing it. They make it easier to train employees, maintain quality, and free the owner from doing every task alone. Instead of working in the business every hour of the day, successful entrepreneurs work on the business, improving processes, building teams, and planning for growth. That's what turns a small business into a successful company. So if you're starting a business, remember this simple lesson. Don't build a business that depends entirely on you. Build one that can grow through systems, teamwork, and smart planning. Because real success isn't about working harder, it's about building a business that works even when you're not there.